Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So today's topic is about the soft blend, and in previous video we have discussed about the how to create a Revit family through sweep tool. So आज soft blend के बारे में हम सीखेंगे. Before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and you will find the videos related to Revit, Navis, AutoCAD and all the BIM 360 videos you will find in our playlist in a very organized way. So please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more updates. So a soft blend in Revit is useful for creating complex shapes. So if you want to create a Revit family along a path in which you have to just create a simple or as you want a path we will describe, then you have to choose the profile which will just go through the whole path you have created, and with the help of this you will get a family and you can adjust the vertices with the help of tool later on. So क्या process रहेगा we will explain you in this video. So first you have to open Revit family interface, then you have to select a template. You can go with the generic model template. Then after that in create you will find a soft blend tool for creation family. Through this I have created a path, a simple sketch path you will found, and you can also pick a path. Right now I have created a path. After that you will able to see there are two options, select profile 1 and select profile 2. So for drawing the profile you have to go to the 3D view, and path you can draw in your plan or your elevations or also in the 3D. After that select profile first, I have to give a shape which will move through this path and a geometry will be created. Then the select profile 2. Soft blend we have a benefit that we can select two profile, but in sweep tool we have only option to select one profile. So here we can choose the two different profile. Like here I have drawn the two circle. The first circle have a bigger dia and the second profile have a smaller dia. And again select edit profile. If you want to change the profile to shape, then again go to select profile, edit profile, then remove the existing one and you can draw the another new profile as per your requirement. And again after that just click and your profile will get generated. So as you can see, our first profile is circle and second profile is hexagon. So a family will be created along a path that we have defined. So there is only two concepts. First we have to sketch a path, then we have to select two profiles, profile 1 and profile 2. And you can create a path in a very reliable way as you need. You can use the line, arc, spline. Right now I have used this spline, and the process again started the same. Select profile 1, edit profile, then shape need to be defined at one end, tick. Then select profile 2, edit profile, shape need to be defined at second end. Here I am selecting ellipse and done. So after double click our profile will get generated again. So it is almost similar to the sweep tool, but in soft blend we can choose the two different profile for the two ends, but in sweep you have to allow to choose only one profile. That one profile will go along the whole path. So sketch profile and selection of shapes that you want to draw along the path. These are the two steps which are related to soft blend, and in previous videos sweep is also similar like to soft blend. We have already uploaded a video for this, creating a bend or a duct elbow with the help of sweep tool. You can go watch. So this is our previous video that we have uploaded, and sweep blend, as you can see the profile we can create. Thank you for the video, and subscribe, like, share.